In 1891, a French chef working for a very wealthy Russian person took part in a food contest, and he made original dish, beef preparation, and he got the first prize. As per the Russian tradition, the first prize winner has to give a name to his newly invented dish. So he named that particular dish by his employer's name, Alexandrovich Stroganoff. So this is the story of Stroganoff. So the dish was liked by Russian people so much, in no time it spread all over the world and liked by everyone. It goes well with steamed rice and mashed potato, but also goes well with boiled egg and pasta. Today we will make this continental dish. Here I have taken a kilo of chicken breast and chopped them in fine slices. Like this. I've also taken 400 grams of mushroom and roughly sliced them like this. And I have taken 4 medium-sized onion and finely chopped them like this. I have taken 7-8 cloves of garlic and finely chopped them like this. Here I have taken oil in a frying pan and I will sear the strips, chicken strips, 5 minutes one side. Now we will take the same oil in a wok and add about 1 tablespoon of butter. Now we will first add the onion and saute it a bit. Now the onion have sauteed properly. I will add the mushrooms in it and fry it on a high heat till they turn a little brown. I will also add the garlic slices. Now I will sprinkle 1 tablespoon of white flour, maida, in it and saute it for another 5 minutes. Now I will add a little chicken stock in it and let it boil for some time. Now I will add about 3/4 cup of cream. Sprinkle a little salt, just a little, not much. Now we will add 1/4 cup of yogurt or sour cream. Anything will do. We will also add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. A little tasting. I think it needs a little bit of salt. Now I will add the chicken pieces. I think we have to add a little bit more of chicken stock and then simmer it for some time. At this stage we will add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of mustard. This much. Mix it well. Let us check the chicken. The chicken is perfectly done and our stroganoff is ready.